How to start using Babylon Booking. Go to www.babylonbooking.com and click Register button. You will come up with a form. Fill up the requested information and then agree on terms and conditions and then click Register. Now you will receive an email from Babylon Booking. Click on the Activation button to activate your account. Then you will receive your account's password via email. Once your account is approved by our team, you will have a full access to our products. Go to Babylon Booking again and log into your account. Search for your desired flights and get the best competitive prices. Welcome to Babylon Booking's family.